So the first question is in the section A in the MCQ. If one of the zero of the quadratic polynomial x squared plus 3x plus k is 2, so to become a zero of any polynomial, so when you place that number, the value of this polynomial should be 0. So to start with, x squared plus 3x plus k should be 0. So here the 0 of this polynomial is 2. So that means if you put 2 at place of x, the value should come as 0, right? So it will be 4 plus 6 plus k equals 0, right? It's the easy calculation from here. 10 plus k equal to 0. If you remove this of the right side of the equal to, the sign will be changed, then the k equal to minus 10. So this is your answer. Okay, moving to the second one, the total number of factors of a prime number. So you know that the prime number, definition of the prime number, that means a number is divisible by 1 or itself. So you can take example of any prime number, right? For example, if you take 3, so what will be the factors? 1 and 3, 5, 1 and 5. So in each case you are having how many factors? 2. So that means the total number will be of the factor will be 2, right? Moving to the third question. So the quadratic polynomial, the sum of whose 0 is minus 5 and their product is 6. So for a quadratic polynomial, the degree, highest degree of that polynomial will be 2. So that means, as per the equations, we know that in each of these options, if you see, the degree is always 2. So you have to figure it out, like what will be the exact polynomial when you put the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros. So the formula for that, for a polynomial are, for the quadratic polynomial are x square minus sum of zeros to x plus product of zeros. Okay, so if you place this value, it will be x square minus sum of 0 is minus 5, so that will be minus 5 to x plus the product of the 0 is 6. It will become x square plus 5x plus 6. That means answer is A. The next one is the value of k for which the system of equation x square plus y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus ky equal to 0 has no solution, right? So this question is from the linear equation. So in that, what will happen is x square plus y minus 4 equal to 0, right? And the another equation here is 2x plus ky, that is, if I bring 3 on the left side of the equal, it will become minus 3 equal to 0. So we know that for no solution for two linear equations, The formula is A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So in this equation, if we see, the coefficients are A and B. So the coefficient of first equation here, the A1 will be 1, right? The B1 will be 1, the C1 will be -4, and A2 will be 2, B2 will be K, and C2 will be -3. So if you just place this value right here, you will get it 1 by 2 equal to 1 by K is not equal to -4 by -3. So from here you can say that K equal to 2. So the answer will be 2. There is one shortcut way as well for this. If you don't remember that, to put it and to make it very quick, right? So if you see here, it is saying the value of K for which the system of equation, this one equal to 0. So if you put these values one by one in this equation, so for whatever values you get the answer as 0, that will be the answer. That's as simple as that. So for example, the given equation is x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. So if I keep the first option value, which is -2, that I will get -2 minus 4 equal to 0. That will get me -4 minus 4, which is not equal to 0. And if I keep the next value, that is, let's say the 2, so it will become 2 plus 2 minus 4 equal to 0. That is 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So that means your answer is 2. So this is the shortcut method. If you don't remember what exactly we did or how the formula of the linear equations works, then that's the easy way. By looking in the option, you can choose that answer. The fifth question is, it's related to HCF and LCM. This is basically, it's in the 10th standard, the board exam of 2020. However, you would have studied this in class 8th as well. So for HCF, we have to find the HCF, you need to know the common factors of all the numbers that are given. And in case of LCM, you need to you need to consider the common factor plus non-common factor as well. Okay, so for that, first we need to find the prime factorization for these three numbers. So let's say for 12, it will be 2, 1 will always be there, so no need to write it though. 2, 2 and 3. For 15, it will be 3 and 5, and for 21 it will be 3 and 7, right? So in case of HCF, right, you have to only find the common factor. So this is the only common factor, that is 3. So HCF will be 3. Okay, now for LCM, you have to consider the common plus whichever is the identical factors as well for each number. So in this case, it will be 2 into 2, both are identical and not any of the number. This 3 is the common, then the 3, and 5 into 7, these two are identical. So by multiplications, you will get it as 2 to the 4, 3 is 12, and 60 into 7, 420. So this is your LCM and this is your HCF. So your correct answer will be 3, 420, right? So with this, in this all the 4 questions, to review once again right from here. So this is pretty simple. You don't have to use any formula in the first one. I mean, it's pretty easy. The second one is the prime factor. The third one, you need to remember the one formula which is related to the quadratic polynomial. So this is the one formula, right, in this 5. And the third, in the fourth question, you have this one formula for the linear equation. Okay, and so in this both, I mean, in all of these 5 questions, you got how many formulas? 2 formulas, and other 3 were just your own calculations, if you remember. So one formula was related to linear equation, and the one was related to quadratic polynomial. Okay, here you are.